is how to make the best butter chicken you're ever gonna have.
Diwali is one of my favourite holidays. All my family comes together, my mum makes some delicious food, and then we get to set off loads of fireworks in the garden. Which as a child was kind of like a milestone to conquer. Lighting your very own firework all by yourself was sort of like a rite of passage. This butter chicken recipe is the best you're gonna have. My secret is to not blend up the sauce. I think the chunkiness adds a beautiful texture to it. It makes it feel so much more homemade. It doesn't have that artificial taste the blended ones sometimes have. In fact, it's so good that my mum actually forced me to make this on numerous occasions so she could then gift this to her friends. And really, is there a better gift than a huge bowl of butter chicken? I will warn you though, once I nailed down this recipe, I got asked to make this so many times I had to put a ban on it because there was just so much ghee in it. And obviously, as delicious as that is, we also need to take care of our arteries as well. But Diwali is a day for celebration, and there is no better way to celebrate than lots of delicious food.
Hi everyone, here's the recipe to make very easy homemade butter chicken. To start off, marinate your chicken with the ingredients on the screen for at least 30 minutes. Shallow fry the chicken with some butter for 8 to 10 minutes until it gets a good color and set it aside. Now add in your chopped onions to a bigger pan, saute until translucent, add in your crushed ginger garlic and give it a good mix. To this you can add in your chopped tomatoes and rest of the spices on the screen. You can always adjust your spice levels according to your preference. Add in some water and cashew nuts, give it a good mix and let it cook with the lid on for a few minutes. Let your masala cool down before blending it into a fine paste. Use a sieve to get a smooth texture, add an extra 1 cup of water and strain again. In the same pan add in butter, masala paste, red chili powder, sugar, combine well to get a velvety smooth texture. To this add in your cooked chicken, some dried fenugreek leaves, you'll end up with a beautiful gravy, just look at that. Top it off with some chopped coriander leaves and cream and enjoy, hope you like it.
バターチキンカレー